Hi, good afternoon. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Rosbelia Paclauna. I'm 32 years old and I have 2 kids. My eldest is 13 and my youngest is 10 years old. And I have 5 brothers and 5 sisters.
Can you tell me about your working experience before?
My working experience in Philippines is taking care of the children and also cooking, cleaning, ironing, and Washington.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I come to Hong Kong because I need that salary. That higher salary is provide to my children to finish their study and provide my needs families.
Okay, if you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your children?
My mother and my husband.
Okay, are you scared dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Any food doesn't eat, are you allergic to any